This is me, a little stick figure, and welcome to my channel. And we're gonna be animating on Ibis Paint because I use that for animating because they have the animation feature now. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, bro! I'm gonna cry it. I already have an animation because that video got encrypted and this gonna be I took a lot of time animating this and editing this video. Oh my gosh, I'm using CapCut for this. Oh my gosh, the background noise. Oh yeah, oh yeah, let me dance. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Greedy, oh my gosh, greedy. And this is the animation. This is the shading. This looks like cartoony from 2017. Look at the worm, oh my gosh. Look, seriously. I like this. And look at the animation of my friend on YouTube. And his username on YouTube is Elisa Yap Art 8F. Oh no, Elisa Yap minus Art 8F. Just like Tori, look at his Roblox avatar. What brush I use? It's the marker brush on Ibis Paint. Why use marker? Because it's a square, but you can just make a circle like this. Oh my gosh, I felt a circle seriously like that, like this, and like this, and like this. Yeah. Wait, let me add my watermark. 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 Oh my gosh, we have this watermark. Oh yeah. Check out Ibis Paint channel because they showed you how to make that watermark. Go to this and search up watermark like this. Oh my mark like this, and you just this is the new animation, guys. I'm gonna make a meme. Look at me, and the app name is Ibis Paint.